Installing an irrigation system with sprayers and drippers is a fantastic way of keeping your garden healthy while saving water and time. Hi, I'm Cam, and this is how to install irrigation sprayers and drippers. Let's get into it. To start, plan out your irrigation layout. Think about where you want the water to go. Sprayers are ideal for larger garden beds and provide coverage over leaves and topsoil, making them great for plants with large leaves. Drippers, on the other hand, are a more efficient way to water established plants with deep root systems and work well in windy areas. You can use a dripper hose for broader coverage or individual drippers and sprayers for targeted watering. Identify the area in your garden that you want to irrigate. Measure the length from where your tap is to where you're wanting to install irrigation. This will let you know how much tubing you need. Now it's time to choose your pipe system. The most common choice is the 13mm poly tubing for the main line and 4mm tubing for the smaller branches that feed the drippers. Once you've got your layout and tubing ready, start by laying the 13mm poly pipe across the garden, making sure it reaches all areas you need. To navigate the piping around corners or branching off, this is where elbows and T's come in. Elbows are essential for changing the direction of your piping, especially around corners. For example, if you need to run the pipe along the edge of your garden bed and then turn a corner to continue along the other side, an elbow will allow you to make that 90-degree turn smoothly without kinking the pipe. T's are equally important when you want to split the water flow into different directions, just like we've done here. Secure the pipe using pins to keep it in place. Keep in mind when selecting sprays you have an option of full, half or quarter sprays. Now it's time to connect the sprayers. First, punch small holes into the 13mm tubing where you want the sprayers to go, using a hole punch tool for accuracy. For sprayers, attach a rigid riser into the hole and screw your selected sprayer on top. For drippers, the process is similar. Punch a hole in the 13mm tubing, insert a 4mm barb fitting and attach the 4mm tubing. At the end of the tubing, attach your dripper, placing it at the base of the plants or pots. You can use adjustable drippers to control the water flow for different plants. Once everything is connected, cap the ends of the 13mm tubing with end fittings, then use a snap-on tap connector, attach the main line to your water source. Now turn on the water and check for any leaks or areas that aren't being watered properly. Adjust the sprayers and drippers if needed to make sure every plant is getting the right amount of water. A great way to ensure your garden stays lush is by using a tap timer or automatic tap timer. This allows you to schedule your watering to ensure your plants stay watered and healthy. And there you have it, your garden is now set up with an efficient irrigation system to keep your plants happy and healthy. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.